We're at the Mammoth Film Festival. I'm here with the one and only Krayzie Bone. You know him from Bone Thugs-n-Harmony. How are you tonight?
I'm all right. I'm enjoying this whole atmosphere.
Yeah? So it's a little different. You come from the music world.
Oh, yeah. I love it. You know what I'm saying? This is actually my first film festival I've ever been to. So, yeah, it's a great experience for me.
It's so different. So cool. So you guys have this really cool documentary.
Yes.
Everybody's buzzing about this. It's called Sons of St. Clair.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about why you decided to make it.
Well, Sons of as everybody knows, that me and Bizzy Bone just did a project called New Waves, and it was something different, than the ordinary Bone Thugs-n-Harmony. It was just us two. Of course, everybody, know that me and Bizzy Bone is the most melodic in the group.
Okay.
So, you know what I'm saying? The fans been wanting that project for a long time.
Yeah.
So we thought, let's just make it more than just a project. Let's explain like our story about how we came to this point, because like Bone Thugs-n-Harmony, we have a rich history that has yet to be explained to people. So like what this documentary is leading up to our biopic that we're now working on.
All right. So you wanted to get deep with it.
Oh yeah, yeah. Basically, just explaining how we were able to maintain and still be relevant to this day, even though we've been through so many trials and tribulations in our careers, where most artists would have disappeared and fell off and been gone. We've been able to to just maintain and still be here.
Yeah.
With the help of all the younger generation artists that emulate our style and use our style as well.
Yeah, he went there now. Yeah.
I had to go there. I had to go there.
You're keeping it real. I love it. I love it. Yeah. No, you guys are such legends. You've been all over the world. What is like a place that really just took you by surprise, where the fans just, maybe if you didn't even speak the same language, where the fans just took to your music, or whatever?
Man, it was Indonesia and the Philippines. Like we went to Indonesia, and it was like, it kind of threw me off because it was like a big festival, and like when we went to go, when it was time for us to go on stage, it was like 20 minutes before we went on stage, and we walked the scene on stage, and there was nobody in front of the stage. So I was like, man, they don't even know who we are. I was like, they don't even know who we are. So like within that 10 minutes, they announced that we were getting ready to go on stage. Within that 10 minutes, we had 10,000 people at that stage, and I was like, I was tripping, and they was like singing our verses, like,
oh man,
didn't speak the language, but they were singing our verses. So I was awed by that. I was like,
that's crazy.
It was great.
I love that. What do you think is like a misconception about you guys? I don't know. The media, says a lot of things, and maybe they know the full story, maybe they don't. What do you think? Like anything, do you think they get wrong?
The misconception is that we don't get along, that we don't like each other. What they don't understand is like we are a family, like we're brothers. You know what I'm saying? Like we weren't put together. Nobody put us together. Our grandparents went to school together. Our parents went to school together, and we went to school together, and we met each other before we even knew our parents and grandparents knew each other.
Wait, what?
Yeah, so like it's
so that's just energy bringing you together. So, that's the universe bringing you guys together.
So it's like Layzie Bone and Wishbone is brothers, and Wishbone is their cousin. I've been knowing them ever since the 6th grade.
Wow.
We've been doing Bizzy ever since high school. Like, so we've been together. Like, it's a real family. You know what I'm saying? The people, they broke up, they're not fighting. Like, we could have an argument, we can fight, even have a physical fight, but at the end of the day, we right back together.
Well, that's like my family.
Exactly. And just like you said, family have quarrels as well. You know what I'm saying? They fight, they break up, they come back together. It's the same with us.
Yeah. Well, it's really great to see you here, and congratulations on the project. I know the fans are going to love it.
So. Oh, yeah, thank you.